Check out the 4KIP200 and what comes with it in the package. Please note that encoder and decoder are sold in separate packages. Heads up about the setup. Before the setup, let's make sure of a few things. How many source devices in your setup? You would need the same amount of encoders. How many TVs are you using? This would be equal to the amount of decoders you need. About the video wall. If you are building a video wall, have it installed before you start the setup. If you are using TVs to make a video wall, 4KIP200 supports flipping the first line screens to make it more seamless. About the Ethernet switch. Use a Gigabit switch and make sure it supports PoE if you don't want to charge all the decoders and encoders separately. About the control. The Control app vDirector is available on iPadOS, iOS, Android, and Windows systems. The control device shall be in the same network with the switch via wired or wireless connection. Setup Guide. In this guide, we will be setting up a 2+2 video wall with 3 source devices. These are what we need in this case. Let's set it up in 5 steps. Step 1. Connect source devices to the encoders. Connect the source devices, laptop, Blu-ray player, and Apple TV, respectively, to the 3 encoders via HDMI cables. Step 2. Connect encoders to the network switch. Connect 3 encoders to the network switch via Ethernet cables. Use Cat5e or above. This PoE switch powers encoders and decoders automatically. If your switch does not support PoE, you would need the power adapter. Step 3. Connect the TVs to the decoders. Connect 4 decoders to 4 TVs via HDMI cables. Mounting brackets are provided in the package to mount and hide them behind the TVs. Step 4. Connect decoders to the network switch. Connect 4 decoders to the network switch via Ethernet cables. Step 5. Download vDirector and build a video wall. Install our free app vDirector, connect your iPad to the same network, and you can start setting the video wall. Go to Settings, Video Wall Settings, add a video wall, and match the position by dragging the numbers. Save the settings. Now the setup is successfully done. You can just drag and drop and easily feed your video wall with different content. More features can be found in the app. Check out our vDirector tutorial video for more guides. AV Access 4KIP200. Build a video system at your fingertips.